Hi, I'm Dan and welcome to the Airbrush Garage. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. All right, so today we're gonna go digital. I'm gonna show you two simple apps that's gonna help you out with mixing colors. So one's gonna be a color wheel, just a basic old plain simple color wheel that you would use or buy at your local art store, but it's gonna be on your phone or your tablet. And the real color mixer, which you can mix colors and will give you the ratios in which you could just transfer over to your real paint going into your cup. So we're gonna start by diving into the phone. I have an Android. I'm sure you could do it on your iPhone. But before we go any further with that, one more little digital tip. I use my tablet all the time for my reference photos. Instead of going to the copier and printing it out, and if I don't have to cut it out, I don't need to print it out. I'll put it on my tablet. It works out really good. You get a nice, high def picture of your subject. With that, if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you get future notifications. Give me a thumbs up. It really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. A couple comments, good or bad, really be helpful. Love to hear from you. So don't forget to check out my Amazon affiliate links down below. And with that, let's get started. All right, so let's dive right into the phone here. I have an Android. I'm sure you could do this on the iPhone. I'm sure the app is even called the same, or the apps. We're gonna be downloading two apps today. One's gonna be a pocket color wheel, and the other one is gonna be a color mixer. So let's dive right in. Like I said, I have an Android, so I'm gonna click on my Play Store button right here, and you can search this out. All you have to do is put color wheel in. This will be the first thing that comes up. It's called a pocket color wheel. Now I'm not gonna install this because I already have it installed, so I don't wanna uninstall. So I'm just gonna open it up right from there. And what's really cool about this is that on your phone, yes, it's rather small, but if you have a tablet, like on my 10-inch tablet, I get like a nice, 6 or 7, I don't know, maybe 8-inch even color wheel, or as big as I want it to be. So it's really cool. I do have the handheld version. I will pop some links down below, or a link down below where you can get the handheld version, because I know some people just want that physical, feel in their hands, but we're gonna be going over the digital version here today. So it's really cool. You just get your finger and you can scroll around to anything like, yellow and blue make green, okay? Red and green make brown, so you can get your basic colors there. And what's really cool is up on the upper right-hand corner here, there's a little flip around, and that takes you to the back of the color wheel, where it gives you, your complements and your triads and all of the other good stuff. But to break it down in even real basic form for those of you who are new to a color wheel, on the back you have the outer ring is your pure color. Your next ring in is your tint. Next ring down in is your tone, and then your shade. And you can see that right on the color wheel. So again, really simple, really quick, really easy. I just think it's a really handy thing to have on your phone. Don't cost you anything. So with that, let's go check out the real color mixer. So let's go on back. Let's go back to the Play Store. The real color mixer, let's see, color mixer app. So all I did was search color mixer app, and again, I did some research on this, and I picked out the one that I felt was really cool, the one I liked the best, and it's the second one down is the real color mixer. You would click on that, you'd install it. In my case, again, already installed, so I'm just gonna open it. Now, what you see here, you're like, okay, I don't see anything. Well, you click on the palette, and it gives you your colors up top, or your basic colors. So I'm gonna clear that out. So basically what you could do is start adding colors. So again, I'm gonna add some blue. I touch blue, and you're just touching this with your fingers, and I add yellow. Blue and yellow make green. What's really cool about this is, if you look at the color mixer, mixed color, where right above the green, over to the right of the color swatch, it's telling you 1-to-1, or one part of the blue and one part of the green, 50-50 mix. Now, if you wanted to increase or decrease either one, Okay, like if you wanted to add more blue, you hit the plus sign, and then it's giving you what I like is the percentages, the 66 to 33. Okay. Again, so you can just mix any color you want on here. You know, you want to add a little white to lighten it up. So it's really cool. You can really play around, get the color you want. But what I like about it is giving you the ratios. So if you're going to sit there and mix this in a cup, it's, you know, 2 parts blue, 4 parts white, and 1 part yellow. And then it's giving you the percentages. So you can get really close in your you know, actual paint cup to get, you know, this really breaks it down and makes it simple. So again, really cool app. Really like this. You can save your colors on this. Down below, you know, you can hit the save button. It will automatically save the color, and you see it going into the saved colors down below, right? And when you're done with that color, you can clear it out. You got your saved color. You can start all over again. So a really cool app. These are the 2 apps that I'm going to feature today for you guys. Again, not sponsored by any of these apps, just trying to help you guys out. Well, there you have it. A couple free, simple apps that you can add to your Airbrush toolbox that really might make your life a little simpler. I know the color mixing app really did help me. It still helps me. And I use a color wheel all the time. I'm never beyond, you know, getting help with something or not knowing something. It's okay. I've been doing this a long time. I still struggle with color. So keep at it, keep airbrushing. And with that, we'll see you in the next video.